The holiday season is in full effect. Is it worth doing DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, the gig apps during the holiday season? Will you make bigger tips, more tips? What are the expectations? Let's talk about it. Mr. Bet on You, Pedro de Santiago, back at you with the RideShare Guy. In today's video, we're going to talk just about that. Holiday season, is it worth it? I've been in the gig economy for almost 2.5 years, and this is my second really holiday season. I've seen good, I've seen bad. I've seen great tips during the holiday season. I've seen bad tips during the holiday season. I've seen long lines, busy stores, out of stock items, traffic, inclement weather. I've seen it all, and many of you guys have as well. But is there more money to be made? Let's talk about that. So the current state of these apps, especially DoorDash, is deals, deals, deals. Package delivery, teaming up with retail spots. There are a lot of opportunities during the holiday time to make money. CVS, Sephora, Macy's, Bed Bath & Beyond. The consumer has a lot of different options, so that could mean more opportunities for you, good tips, nice base pace. The holiday season is a time where a lot of people have to have things dropped off on Instacart, shopping pays. A lot of shopping pays. Activate that red card. Target is on all the apps, guys. Shipped, DoorDash, Uber. I go to Costco on Instacart a lot of big orders. And with those high dollar orders comes bigger tips if customers are tipping off percentages, right? And with DoorDash specifically, they are everywhere. The opportunities are there. Now, you're going to have a lot, when you turn your DoorDash app on, you're going to have sometimes peak pays. There might be oversaturation in certain markets to where it doesn't seem like it's busy, right? That's why it's a good idea to put in the Instacart app as well and bounce around between the both and chase the money. Now, with Instacart during the holiday season, you're going to have some heavy orders at times. You're going to have to be shopping, long lines, picking up all kinds of things like I did on this order right here, loading it into your car, taking it up some steps. Those are things that are going to happen. You're going to be outside, right? It might be cold in your market. The holiday time is very unique than any other time of the year in the gig economy. Now, with all that being said, I've seen bigger tips during the holiday season. I've also seen no tip orders. You're going to still see $2 orders, $3 orders. You're going to see $6 orders going 20 miles. You're going to see that in your apps. But in my experience, the consumers that actually generally normally tip for food delivery, shopping pays, whatever, when given the option on the app, you'll have some of those people that will tip more, especially if you're dashing during Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, right? New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Those type of holidays, the consumers that tip will throw you extra money at times, and the cash tips during this time of the year will be a little more prevalent. Doesn't mean you're going to make $1 million. It doesn't mean you're going to double your earnings. But if you choose to work during the holiday season, remember this, a lot of other dashers will not, because maybe that day's off for them. So if you have the opportunity to work and you have the means to work, you might see some better tips from consumers that are tipping already. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you're doing some of these shoppings, right? You're going to run out of items. Items will be run out at stores. You might not be able to find something. That could be frustrating. Try to make some substitutions when you can, because some stores will be busy, especially popular items. You have long lines. You'll run out of things. It's going to happen. Know when is acceptable to drop an order, let it go, unassign it, get a substitution so you can still make your money. But know that these things will happen. There will be frustration during the holiday time for you as a driver, for the consumer, for the retail worker. So keep that in mind as you're out making your money. Also, during the holiday seasons, you're going to have promotions, right? Look at this one from Uber, extra $350 if you become a diamond driver. These companies need to get packages delivered, food delivered, shopping. DoorDash here is telling me in the email there's popular places to dash right now if I decided to work, right? So check your email boxes during this time, because they're going to give you a lot of information on where the money is, some helpful tips. There's so many opportunities during the holiday season. I highly recommend turning your apps on. So let us know in the comments below. Do you plan on working in the holiday season? For all our veteran OG drivers out there, what have you seen during the holiday season that's different from other times of the year? Do you make more money? Do tips go up? Do you have any issues in the apps? Is it worth driving when it's snowing? Let us know your thoughts, your opinions, your experiences in the comments down below. And don't forget, every Sunday we drop DoorDash specific content on the RideShare Guy, brought to you by Mr. Bet on You. If you're interested in that kind of stuff and want more content, check out this next video here, and I'll see you next week.